Catch fish.
All right, so I think we had a catch fish method above.
Ah, catch a big fish.
Ah. Okay, we should be able to do something similar than as when we did the error. But instead of returning the mono.error on the switch empty, then we catch fish. So if we add our filters, the is fish big enough, is fish fresh enough?
Both of them.
Yeah. And then the switch if empty, and we call the catch fish method.
Yeah. I don't get any highlighting here. Similar to this.
Because it's busy.
Yeah. And then we want to catch a big fish, or?
Yeah,
yeah,
that's the one.
Yeah, that other one is for our test, I guess.
Yeah, that's recursive. Okay. So should I store it or?
Yeah, I guess so. So we can add some verification to it. Because now I think we have our test fish is big enough, but it's not very fresh.
You can use the name that you suggested in the other test.
Is the big enough fresh fish, or will it be same?
Same.
Okay, and then how will this work? Will it still filter this as well?
No, it doesn't recurse. It doesn't work recursive in a sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I guess it will
That'll
refresh.
just be our default value.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, and then verify that we verify something, or?
Yeah, but this will. This is a big enough fresh fish, right?
I think the fresh method verified how many days back did it? Was it?
So
Yeah, it was,
I think it verifies
okay,
just
so
one
minus
day.
1 day. Okay, so it's not fresh enough.
No, it shouldn't be.
All right, then we should have catch a big fish.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Do you want to assign that?
We have something that we just have a fish, or that we have something that we caught today?
We can assign catch a big fish maybe to a variable, and then or just maybe pass in the function once again.
I would say that make your expectations very specific, so you can actually check what catch a big fish returns and check against that, because you want to make sure that it returns exactly what catch a big fish returns. In a real world, you know what it returns, or roughly.
Oh, yeah.
So next, or?
Depends on how you want to do it. So it goes to our first session. Navigators, please.
Yeah, I guess we can assign the catch a big fish to an like expected,
That
or I mean
mono.
create. Sorry.
Catch a big fish returns a mono. So
Okay, so we can create the fish that we expect. Or
like an expected fish.
I don't know if you want to compare to the mono or to the fish, or
So what if you go and check what is inside catch a big fish method? If you go there. So one way is to check exactly against the values that we have here. So you can check if these values are exactly same as the values that you have in the fish there. Yeah, you can also check like that. You can copy the whole thing. Or you can check that the fish that is in the step verifier is big enough and is fresh enough using the methods that you have. Personally, I would do the first option out of these three. This is more of a general programming question.
So what do you say? Should we do that? Create an expected fish.
Yeah.
yeah.
Go for it.
We can do it up here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Expected fish.
Yeah. Oh, you did it in the wrong test.
Ah, of course. Catch fish.
Yeah.
Then next is correct, right?
Yeah.
Expected fish. Complete or?
Yeah, I think so.
It'd be nice with some completion here.
Mm.
All right, try it.
Let's try this. Where's your test?
Yeah, there's test.
Oh, I get the test same way.
Oh, okay. They're failing more than they should.
Oh, did it? We fix this? No, that's the last one. Yeah, that's right. Test. So this one should be failing, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, it runs episode 4 as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so why did this? It's not equal to expected fish.
Would it be because of the time part? No.
So yeah, fish, fresh fish. We got the fresh.
Yeah.
Expected value, fresh fish.
If you scroll more, what's the actual value?
Actual
There.
value, fresh fish.
The
Ah,
timestamps are a bit different.
Yeah.
Maybe we can truncate, yeah. But that's weird.
Maybe we can. Oh no, that's only
yeah, it's
cheating.
just milliseconds.
Mhm.
Yeah,
No, seconds. Microsoft. Yeah.
And we can maybe truncate. How we can truncate? If we truncate to seconds only, or if we change the format. Ooh, Java date APIs.
this day.
I think you can call something like at start of day on both of them if you want to.
That's a good point.
Just round it down.
Mm.
That's an easy way.
Mm.
I guess the minutes part doesn't really matter then, but
In this case,
maybe not at then. No, okay. Maybe that's some other.
I think, yeah, if you have a local date, I think you can get start of day.
But it's just a date, or then it's no time.
yeah. But if you
What
do
would that even mean?
oh, okay. Yes. In this
Okay,
case,
so it was at start of the day.
Yeah, so if
Oh,
you have
and
a
at
date.
local date. Oh yeah, and then it gives you a local date time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
yes.
But then our catch a big fish.
Yeah, we'd have to change that one as well.
But if, yeah. No.
Maybe we can instead change and assert something within the fish, like the name of it.
I would
What do you think?
I would suggest use local date timer still, but truncate it to the minutes, because the difference is in the like. If you do PR,
Oh, there is a truncated 2 that you can give a temporal unit. Is that the one where it's like minutes and stuff?
yeah, exactly.
Minutes.
So if you do the same all over the place. And revert here.
Yeah, change that one to a local date time.now and then truncate.
Let's see a quickest copy.
Yeah.
Mm. Very well.
No, it should work.
I think it would.
If you're not unlucky and hit.
Yes. That's lovely.
No.
And the last one, let's do it yourself, Patrick, and navigate.
Oh, it's running everything.
Yeah, it's funny. There is a command to run that specific test. I don't remember it. Yeah, that one. So this is a specific case when we bring null into the equation, just to see what happens if we face null. So what do you think, guys, we need to do with to do?
Null is not empty, but is error.
So we get a null point exception.
So it won't get to the empty, like it won't default if empty. That won't run.
Exactly, because it's error.
I don't get any help here, but is there like a default on error?
Navigators, please. We had it last session.
Hit me now. There's a do on error.
But that
Or
does something when it's error.
Yeah, I guess
On-
it or does something. Yeah.
So you want something else.
on error map.
True, on error map.
What do you
Should
get?
we have 3
Uh,
there instead? Just do what the defaultIfEmpty wants, but here we catch the error, so to say.
Yeah.
Exactly. But you need to, how does it work actually? Can you do that? Guess you need to return another error. So
What does this one take? Does it take an error, or does it take the fish
so
or integer?
So-
Fish.
Yeah.
Like you got an error on the map, but then you should get the integer, right?
no. So here you get a lambda that contains the error that you are getting, and your error is null pointer exception.
But if you want to map,
So it's
I guess
it's mapping the error to another error.
okay.
So what we could do, we could only expect error and check for null pointer exception. But since you are doing this on error map, it's a good review of the last session. So navigators, please, if you look at the last session, you will remember how we worked with on error map.
We threw an exception. If that's what you're looking for.
Yeah.
So we should map the null pointer exception, or?
Yeah, so the E that you have there is null pointer exception now. So, but we don't really need to check it. We just create new. So you can do like, based on the last session, you can do new illegal argument exception, just something for sake of test. Yeah, just something, even though a message is not needed, just for sake of it.
Yeah.
So you just need to correct the step verifier now. So what should it be there?
Or what was it? It was error. Expect error
Exactly.
matches. Like this,
Mhm.
maybe?
Yeah.
And a legal argument. Let's try it.
That's cool. That's
Ah,
for,
wow, it made it.
yeah, lovely. So that's failing. That's for the
Or wait. Oh, it's running.
It's running all the
night
tests.
frame now. Yeah.
Yeah.
So nice. Cool. The one that is failing is for the next episode, so don't mind it. Lovely.
Okay, what next?
Yeah.